This is the lifting device MB, together with an RM series ultrasonic bath. The lifting device enables the baskets with the part to be cleaned to be lowered automatically into the ultrasonic bath. During cleaning, the lifting device oscillates the basket up and down, allowing detached particles to be washed away. The advantage of oscillation is that the parts are cleaned more quickly, and the cleaning result is also better. Once cleaning is complete, the lifting arm moves upwards and the parts can drip off first. They can then be removed individually, which reduces the strain on employees. The lifting device can be used as a standalone unit, but can also be combined with a wall rack to form a complete cleaning line. This means that the parts can be moved from the cleaning tank to the rinsing tank to drying in one basket. The unit is operated via the clearly laid out touch panel. The process time, oscillation speed, oscillation height, and other parameters can be set there. Oscillation can also be completely deactivated for parts that require washing, so that the parts are only lowered, cleaned, and then raised again. The process is activated using the two-hand control on the arms of the appliance. This ensures safe use of the product.
More than clean, BANDELIN.